The graph of y equals f of x plus 14 is shown. Which equation defines function f? So first I'm going to highlight the question. Which equation defines function f? So we're finding the original function f of x. Right now, we are shown f of x plus 14. Now, paying attention to this plus 14 here, the plus 14 is our y-intercept in this case. So our current y-intercept is positive 2, and that was when we added 14. So to get our original function, we have to subtract 14. So it will be 2 minus 14, which will put us at negative 12 for our y-intercept. Now looking at our answer choices, they have the same slope, negative 1, 4x, which is consistent with our linear equation here. So we have to pay attention to the y-intercept, which is negative 12, which is answer choice A.